Good morning, guys. My name is Holly, and today we'll be talking about the business marketing planning process. To start us off, as seen below, the marketing concept is one of the most important parts of this process. So, the premises of the marketing concept is that organizations that best satisfy their customers' needs are best placed to satisfy their own needs. The marketing concept is made up of three different components. So it's the three financial objectives, the three strategic objectives, and the three communication objectives. Businesses that have adopted the marketing concept also need to have a marketing philosophy in place that helps influence the culture and the behaviors of the business. This also includes a planning process. The business marketing planning process is a systematic and compounded process that helps and allows for organizations to have a successful marketing plan in place. This particular business planning process follows a CADI framework, which breaks the business marketing planning process into three different parts. These parts are collect and analyze, design and develop, implement and evaluate, as you can see on the screen. This framework allows for organizations to collect and analyze their data to design and develop a new plan for the future. Finally, the organization can then implement their plans and evaluate the success of them. The first process of the CADI framework is collect and analyze. The collect and analyze process uses comp factors to provide insight into different situational factors of an organization. The comp factors are the customer, the organization, the market, and product considerations. With using this information, marketing practitioners are able to create a more specific marketing plan and strategies for the future. Some of the things taken in consideration for the collect and analyze process in the framework are current marketing philosophies and cultures, the target market, product strategy, and the current market that the business is in. Using the collect and analyze process to form an audit and report, marketing practitioners are able to see the past, present, and likely future performance of their organization. It also paints an accurate picture of how competitive they are within the current market. Once this report has been developed, they can then bring it to the executives to start the next phase of the process, which is the design and the develop. Once the collect and analyze process has been completed successfully, practitioners then can move on to the second part of the framework, which is the design and develop. The design and develop process allows for marketing practitioners to develop both a marketing plan and a marketing action plan. Firstly, the marketing plan is a strategic document that outlines the objectives and their deadlines, the marketing philosophy, the resources that are to be allocated for each objective. This allows for a more holistic view around the entire organization, as different areas have a better understanding of what is needed to be done to reach the end goal. A marketing action plan is a subset from the marketing plan. It's actually outlining each individual objective. These are more tactical and they should be clear and quantify the inputs and both the outputs of the data that is needed. There are two types of action plans that marketing practitioners can create. They are as needed and everyday use. So an as needed action plan is for a specific situation. These are sometimes referred as ad hoc projects because they are relatable to specific situation an organization may be in. Everyday action plans are used as they relate to actions that are ongoing on a daily basis. Some examples of an everyday action plan are things such as sales, promotions, public relations, advertising, social media, communication. Once these plans have been designed, both the chief marketing practitioner and the marketing team come together to ensure that all the objectives outlined in both the marketing plan and the marketing action plans are congruent with the current business plan. This is to keep the organization aligned to make sure all objectives are working together as one. The third and final process in the CADI framework is to evaluate and implement the tactics that have been presented or provided in the marketing plan. The strategic group evaluate the action plans against the marketing objectives and make any changes if they are required. The aim of the organization is to reach these objectives both for marketing and for business objectives. Therefore, if they are aligned and working together, it is easier for an organization to reach them. Overall, the marketing planning process can be implemented to help maintain objectives. Thank you for listening to this presentation today, and I hope you enjoyed. Thank you.